Right, so something else to pay attention to when you're 3D printing. If I were to come over here and select these objects, it says that I have 5 closed solid poly surfaces. So they're all closed, which is great, but they're all individual pieces. So if I wanted to 3D print this, it won't understand this, the 3D printer won't understand this as one object. It's going to understand it as the 5 individual pieces that they are. So I just want to combine them into one, and in this case I'm just going to use the Boolean union command. So when I select it, hit enter or done, it should, if it's modeled correctly, make it into one object. So it's just one closed solid poly surface. And if I want to take this, if I want to clean it up a bit more, I can type in the command merge all coplanar faces. Select the object, hit done, and it just cleans up the model a little bit more. And now this model is ready to get 3D printed. Here in the back, I have just a generic volume. It's always good to test your 3D print to make sure that it's going to fit within whatever 3D printer bed that you're using. So in this case, this one's just a generic 9 inches by 9 inches by 9 inches. You can just take your model and obviously you can just see if it's actually going to fit on the 3D printing bed. And if it does, then the size of it is good to go. If not, you might need to cut it in half or just make it slightly smaller. If you have a piece that is a little bit challenging to figure out the size or the scale, you could always use this command that's called the bounding box. So for example, I want to scale this object, but I don't know where to click on this object to scale it. I could just type in bounding box, select the object, and I want to make sure the output are solids and that it's set to the world, and I hit it done. And it just makes a box around the object. So if I go into my ghosted view, my object is still inside, but it just made a box around it. It just makes this much easier to scale. So I can select both parts. I can type in scale, and now I have like actual endpoints that I can click on where I can scale this object to the correct scale or to the correct size that I want. And I can be precise about it. So if I type in scale and I want this largest size to be, say for example, 3 inches or 4 inches, I can just type that in. So I can just type in 4. And now that longest side is 4 inches. I can check it by typing distance, clicking the 2 points. And down here it says that it's 4 inches. And again, it's doing this because I'm also in inches where it says down here.